What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Z Baby with another freaking video. And today's video is going to be a vlog style video. Shout out to all my new subscribers that have subscribed to my channel. I truly appreciate every single one of y'all that has subscribed. Your girl's been super busy, been having a lot going on lately, but I'm like, you know what? It's my day off. I'm gonna go ahead and get it in. So today's agenda, I am about to handle some small things. Hopefully in this vlog I do what I say I'm gonna do. Most time when I record these vlog videos, I end up forgetting that I'm making a content video, but this is not a content video, it's a vlog style video. So today I'm about to head to the mall because I need to pick up a gift for my best friend. I need to get her a gift. And I also want to get something to eat. I want to go to Cheesecake Factory. I haven't been to Cheesecake Factory in a long time. And I also just want to get a couple more things for myself because I'm like, shoot, my birthday coming up. At first I was going to get like a car, but ain't nobody doing all of that. Car, and you know, somebody recently told me that they have like a car shortage or whatever, like less chips to make new cars. Even though I might get a car later, like down the year, but right now ain't nothing really wrong with my car, and all I need is brakes. So I'm just like, forget it. We'll do that later. But right now I'm just like, I'm trying to save my bread because your girl I want to get my own place. I've been wanting my place for a minute now. But anyway, I'm rambling right now. I'm on my way to the mall. So then I will pick this camera back up when I get inside the mall because I'm about to get in my car. So, okay, I'll come back to y'all. And I got me a new phone. I love this phone, y'all. Look at the definition on this thing. Like, what do you see? Oh my God, I'm in love with my phone already. And I'm going to do a video on what I got for my birthday. So, stay tuned for that. So now I'm back in the freaking mall. I'm gonna make this mall trip very short because I'm starving and I want to get back to my house. Like, today, it's okay, but like, it's kind of boring. And I ain't really trying to spend too much because I feel like I bought enough stuff. So, ooh, they do hair, lashes. Ooh. I don't even know what I'm talking about. Ooh, they do hair. They probably don't do black people hair. Anyway, so I'm up here at my destination. It took me a minute to get back on camera just because I was on a group interview, and I hate group interviews. I mean, number one reason why I hate group interviews because people always be copying what you be saying, but I digress. It is what it is. But I'm always on an interview somewhere. I always feel that way. But yeah, I'm pretty much in the mall to get something for, I talked to her earlier, for my best friend. So I'm about to go get her something because our birthdays are like together. So, you know, I want to just, what's the word? Just be nice and give her something other than what I told her over the phone. Y'all, I'm loving my new phone. Like, oh my God. What's the word? The definition is everything. And then I'm probably going to take y'all in the restaurant with me because I do want to get some of that good old bread from Cheesecake Factory. So that's what we finna do. I'm in this store now. They got some music. So I'm going to have to take y'all off and I will get to y'all when I get back to the restaurant. Okay, you guys, so that was a total waste of time. They didn't really have anything in there, whatever. Like, my friend, she's not like into all that flashy stuff like that. I thought I was gonna be able to find her like a cute little purse, which I've bought in the past for her, but I'm about to look for something else. Cause what they got in there is not, she not into glam. Like I'm into glam, glitter. If you look at my nails, y'all, I'm loving my nail job. They are everything right now. So this mask is not everything. But I did come to this mall to get two things. A gift for her and a face mask from Victoria's Secret. Their face mask is lit. But I always feel like I'm always changing up the mask because the mask that I got is some trash. Especially one I thought they had like a store up here called Torrid. I don't even see them. I used to go there all the time and get shoes. Maybe I'm not in the right spot. But I'm about to walk in Forever 21 right quick to see if I can find myself something. And then we're gonna work on her. So all these places have music though, which sucks. So yeah. That's not good. So let me get off and then I'll come back to y'all. Hey guys, so now I'm at the freaking restaurant. Unfortunately, best friend, if you are out there, I wasn't able to get shit from my friend because I didn't really see anything. Oh, my food is here. So now I'm at the Cheesecake Factory. This looks so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, this food, y'all. I'm happy hour at Cheesecake Factory. Period. Oh my God. So good. So good. Well, I'm getting a call, so I'm gonna get back to y'all, and I ordered me some pasta. It's finna go down. Look at that. Oh my God. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about. Wait a minute. They put ketchup on these? Oh man. I don't even see no cheese. Okay, I'm gonna come back to y'all. Y'all, this salad is lit. Looks so fucking good. And those are my sliders and my bread. Y'all, I've been on the phone running my mouth, but my food is good so far. Okay, y'all, so I'm having some issues with my food at Cheesecake Factory, but the food is pretty good. And yeah, it's pretty yummy. So, I'm loving that. But I had an issue with my pasta. It wasn't really that good. Like, it wasn't good. So, I'm just going to get spaghetti with shrimp. And yeah, but so far the food is really, really good. And I'm loving it. That's why I haven't really been vlogging that much. But I'm satisfied with the food so far. So, I'm satisfied with what I ordered, like my calamari and everything. So, yes. So freaking good. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, you guys. Y'all, look at this. You can't tell me that. So I'm back home. I'm in my ratchet bathroom, as people say. She make her ratchet videos in the bathroom. But anyway, I just wanted to end the vlog because number one, it got dark. Number two, my phone died. So I wasn't able to get more footage. Like I wanted to talk to y'all more. And I simply didn't get to do that. But I enjoyed my time at Cheesecake Factory. Like, it was good. My bill ended up being $51, but you know what? Like, that was like my early birthday gift to me. Of course, I give myself gifts all the time, but y'all, that food was really, really good. Unfortunately, I never found nothing for my friend. I wasn't able to find anything. Like, nothing had like sparked my fancy, so I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna even get anything. Y'all can really see the definition underneath my eye. Y'all, I'm gonna do a whole review on the iPhone 13. This phone is lit. Look, like the detail on my face, like, oh my God, I'm so glad I upgraded my phone or whatever. When I do like my present video for my birthday, which is gonna be coming out in like 2 weeks from now, it's gonna be lit. But y'all, look at the definition of my face. Like, you can see my lashes, my eyes, my bags, little bags that I got. But anyway, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and leave a comment down below and let me know how I'm doing my videos, because I need to know how I'm doing my videos, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Y'all, my birthday thing gonna be lit. I'm getting my bundles put back in my hair, And I finna be a new person. I'm turning 36. I'm a Libra, so you already know I finna have fun for October and just forget about all the negative stuff that happened over the summertime. But anyway, I'm wrapping. I will see you guys in my next video. And if you are thinking about upgrading your cell phone, child, please get you the 13. It's worth it, especially if you're doing videos like this. Like me, people personally know I use my phone to record videos. Of course, I use it for cell phone use as well, but I'm telling you, the 13 gives you that high definition. Y'all can see me, like it's not blurry looking or whatever. Y'all, I love my phone. I can't wait to do the whole video on what I got. And the first thing I'll be talking about is my iPhone. I do have a content video that should be coming out hopefully tomorrow. And the reason why I'm in this bathroom is because I need to do my hair. I'm not going to even take y'all through that. I'm going to put this in my hair. But, yes. So, anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And bye, guys.